Let us begin with an experiment to show us the products of burning organic substances in air. When you look at this setup, methane gas is burnt in a Bunsen burner flame and a reaction takes place. Methane burns in air, taking part the active part of air, which is oxygen. The products that are formed include a colorless liquid that condenses in this U-tube because the products are sucked with the suction pump from the flame, and the vapors of a colorless liquid condense inside the U-tube. This liquid turns white anhydrous copper 2 sulfate blue, meaning that the liquid is water. When we move ahead to the test tube, another product of burning methane is bubbled through lime water and it forms a white precipitate. Do you remember which gas forms a white precipitate in lime water? I'm sure you do. It is carbon dioxide. So in this case, carbon dioxide and water are the products of burning methane in air, and essentially organic substances burn in air to form main products of water and carbon dioxide in the following equation. Another experiment that shows the products of burning organic compound can be identified using the products of a burning candle. A similar setup from the one we have discussed is set up, but with few modifications. Instead of putting a U-tube in ice cold water, we put a test tube, and in it we put cobalt chloride paper. The burning candle burns in air. The solid wax in the burning candle, some of it, instead of just undergoing a physical change from solid to liquid and then back to solid on cooling, it reacts with air. And air contains oxygen, which is the active part. And the products are sucked from the funnel to the first test tube A. In test tube A, we'll observe that the blue cobalt chloride paper turns to pink, which is actually the test for the presence of water. So one of the products is confirmed to be water. Again, the other products are sucked into test tube B and they turn lime water into a white suspension. Or a white precipitate. Again, the two products formed are water and carbon dioxide that can be represented by the equation shown here. So essentially, hydrocarbons or organic compounds burn in air to form two products, which include water and carbon dioxide gas.